How to make Facebook account private. Now, the very first thing that you have to do is, of course, access or open up your Facebook application and make sure that you're successfully logged into your account. Once you're here, all you have to do is to go to your account menu or on your account settings. To get here, you just have to tap on your current profile photo from the top right portion of your screen and you should be redirected here. Now, the next thing to do is to scroll all the way down and head over to the settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, head over to settings, tap on that, then scroll down again till you find this option to say audience and visibility. Now this is going to be a lot of work. Now for you to be able to restrict everything or to make your account private, just have to go to how people can find and contact you. So as you can see, there are plenty of options that you can change or turn off some of these options right here. So all you just have to do, for example, who can send you a friend request, tap that. So you just have to send this or to change this to no one. Same goes with who can see your friends list, and then same goes to it. Who can Facebook suggest your profile based on your phone number or email address. So again, you just have to set all of these options right here as only me. And that's how you make your Facebook account private.